What generative AI actions does Zenphi offer? Zenphi currently has 2 actions that allow you to make use of generative AI. We know just how important AI technology currently is, and making use of these 2 actions can help enhance your current flows. The first action we're going to be talking about is called Execute Generative AI. This action doesn't require third parties. All you have to do is set up the configuration. We have a prompt gallery that you can easily make use of. For this example, we're using the grammar rewrite, so to be able to use this, all you have to do is click on Use. There's different examples. However, you can manually write the prompt as well as the input. You can enable an example to make it that much more exact, and you can also return JSON objects. So for example, here we're indicating to rewrite the following sentence, fix any grammar issues, and here in the input I'm going to write the sentence. As you can see, you're also able to use the token picker so that you can easily insert dynamic data from any part of your flow. So now if we test this, we're going to be using a log to history to be able to see the output. So if we click on the token picker, we can see the output here. And here we have the revised sentence. However, what happens when we want to make use of a JSON? All we have to do is enable this option. As we can see here, I have indicated that I wanted to respond in JSON. I wanted to return the people and the places. So then after this action, we would need to use convert JSON to object. Here you would use a token picker to select the output, and then you would need to add a sample schema. And now if we go to the output, we're able to see that now it has people, places, we can see the name and the role of each person. And now moving on to the next action that's available, this one is called Execute Gemini Generative AI, meaning you need to have an API key to Gemini. All you have to do is indicate the model that you want to use. There's a prompt gallery here as well that you can choose from. You also have the option to be able to add examples. Here in system instructions, you can also tell it what you want it to do. It can be as simple as a few words, sentence, paragraph, and then you have a space for the input. Here you also have the option to use a file, so you can easily pull a PDF, a PNG. You can also use JPEGs and MP4, so you can pull information from the trigger or from any other step that you have so that you're able to analyze images, documents, etc. And if you wanted to return the output in JSON, you can then follow the steps we just went over to be able to export it into an object and be able to use in your flows as well. And just like that, you can make use of AI in any of your workflows.